So these are the things that I've learned in Unit 3, Presentation of Data. Things I learned are the following. Number one, this lesson is important because when you will be having a research, you might probably be able to know how to organize the data systematically, and you can clearly see and identify whether the data given if it would be arranging chronologically or not. Number two, you can see the data comprehensively using statistical method. Things I will do to apply the lesson are, well, maybe in the future, if I will be getting a job like being a social worker, the thing I will do to apply is when I will be having a research proposal, and beyond this lesson is I have no question so far. In graphs of frequency distribution, things I've learned this lesson is greatly used in marketing business analysis and to calculating their products, whether their products are getting improvement and progress or not. Things I will do to apply the lesson are such as follows. Number one, when doing a quantitative research. Number two, using like histogram, pie chart, or etc., your data will be accurate, comprehensive, and critical, valid, and can be used of any kind of fields such as in business, education, sports, science, and also in psychological research. And hence, this typical lesson is ha, I'm not having enough question about this topic. So these are the things that I've learned in Unit 4. Data description, grouped and ungrouped data. Letter A. In measures of central tendency, things I learned are the following. Measures of central tendency is a summary statistics that represents the center point or typical value of data set. These measures indicate where most values in a distribution falls as a central location of a distribution. Measures of central tendency are used in everyday in real life situation. The mean or the average is an important statistics used in the average grades of the students. Also in sports, coaches uses average to determine how well a player is performing. Rather, used in household income can be used to calculate according to their means of income. Lastly, hence the mode may be beneficial for a manager of a shoe store, which the store managers may look at data and determine which shoe size is sold the most. Besides, measures of central tendency are really give important in business decision making. Things I will do to apply the lesson are when I will be having an ultimate business, having a job, so on. And this topic is I have no question. Letter B. Measures of location or position. Things that you have learned the lesson. This topic is all about statistics, often talk about the position of a value, relation to other values in a set of data. Things I will do to apply the lesson. It gives us a way to see where certain data point or value falls in a sample or distribution in any kind of data. And this topic is I have no question. Lastly, letter C, measures of central dispersion. Things I have learned are the following. This topic is also called variability, scatter, or spread. It's the extent to which a distribution is stretched or squeezed. Things I will do to apply the lesson. Measures of dispersion is necessity can be felt in different fields like economics and business analysis and forecasting. While dealing with their conditions, especially in making predictions for future purposes. And the end.